boys and girls. I am Miss Moran and welcome back to your math lesson. So today we're going to be looking at subtraction. So yesterday we talked about addition. That's when we added everything together. But today we're going to do subtraction. Do you remember what subtraction means? So when we're subtracting, we're taking away. We have something and then we're taking away a few of them or maybe all of them away. So we're taking away. Okay. So a couple weeks ago we did subtraction word problems where I read the problem and then you did the problem. This time around we're going to be looking at subtraction sentences. So if you look over here, right here, this is a subtraction sentence. Although they forgot the symbol here. Remember, this is the subtraction symbol, and it is called the minus. When you see this, that's minus. Minus means that we're taking away. So our subtraction sentence here is 3 minus 2 equals 1. So what that means is that I had 3 cookies, then I ate 2. So you had 3, so I ate 1 and 2, and then I had 1 left over. So remember, we're going to be doing subtraction today, so we are taking away. We're not adding it all together, we're taking away. All right? So you have to pay close attention to this minus sign because a minus sign is going to give you a clue that we're taking away. All right? So let's do a couple of activities and then we'll talk about your homework. Let's get started. Okay, so for today's activities, we're going to be doing working on subtraction sentences. So our subtraction sentence is going to be down here. Remember, we're going to have the symbol right here that's going to give us a clue that we're subtracting because this is the minus symbol or the minus sign. And so when we were doing word problems, I was putting the counters up here for you. But this time around, I'm going to let you do it, okay? So our subtraction sentence here says 4 minus 1 equals something. So how many do we start out with? We start out with 4. So we're going to move 4 counters up here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're starting out with 4, okay? Now remember, it says minus 1. So we're going to be taking away. How many do I take away? Minus 1 means that you take away 1. So I'm going to grab that X and put it on top of this one. And that's going to tell me that I'm not supposed to count that one. That one went away. So now I have to count all of these ones to get my answer. So let's count them. 1, 2, and 3. So my answer is going to be 3. I'm going to come down here and look for 3, and here it is. And I'm going to move 3 up here. And now that we're done, we're going to read our subtraction sentence together. 4 minus 1 equals 3. You could also say something like 4 take away 1 equals 3 because we are taking away 1. All right, let's go to our second subtraction sentence. So this subtraction sentence says 1 minus 1 equals something. So we're going to find out. So that first number is going to tell us what we're going to start out with. So here it says a 1. So we're going to start with 1 counter up there. And now we're going to take away or minus 1. So we need to take it away. We're not adding, we're taking away. So I'm going to grab an X and take away 1. So now how many dots do I have up here? So this one doesn't count. So it looks like I have nothing, right? If I had 1, I have 1 counter and then 1 was taken away, I have 0. Okay, I have nothing left. So which one is 0? It's going to be this one. So we're going to grab it and we're going to put it over here. And now together, we're going to read the subtraction sentence. 1 minus 1 equals 0. You can also say 1 take away 1 equals 0. Good job. Okay, now let's talk about your homework. Okay, so let's talk about your homework now. Today, you're going to have 2 subtraction sentences that you're going to be working on. It's going to be this one, and then this is the second slide. You are going to do the homework just like we did in the activity. You're going to look at your subtraction sentence, and that's going to give you a clue of what you need to move up here, okay? Remember, when you're subtracting, you're taking away. So you have something and then we're taking away stuff, okay? So remember, you're going to move the counters, and then whatever you're taking away, you're going to put an X over it. Okay, so here the subtraction sentence says 4 minus 1 equals something. So that 4 is going to tell you that you're going to move 4 counters up here. That's what you're going to start with. Minus 1. So that means that you're going to cover one of them with an X. And then you're going to count all the other ones that don't have an X. You're going to look for your answer and you're going to put it over here. So let me just read the subtraction sentences for you. This is 4 minus 1 equals something. You're going to put that number, the answer, up here once you figure it out. And then the other subtraction sentence is 3 minus 1 equals something. So you're going to grab your answer from up down here and put it up here. All right. Okay. Well, that's your homework for today. And I'll see you here tomorrow. Bye-bye.